Some people look confused. They're like, he look like a Chinese Mexican, but he sounds like a black Jew. Yeah, I'm mixed. If you can't tell, my mom's Filipino and my dad is an alcoholic. I'm actually a Filipino kid from Jersey. I grew up in a Catholic household in a black and Dominican neighborhood inside a Jewish tenement on top of a Puerto Rican bodega. But I knew everybody except my dad. I haven't seen my dad in 20 years. We recently reconnected on Tinder. I'm like, oh shit, it's a match. Yeah, still hasn't responded. I'm like, shit. Yeah, I'm Filipino, my beautiful wife's black, so we decided, you know what? We're gonna make Puerto Ricans. We're gonna make Bruno Mars. Yeah, we can make a lot of things except for payments on time. My wife thought I had money when we first met. This is how we met. She saw me on a TV show on Netflix. Then she added me on Instagram. She thought she hit the jackpot. She's like, wow, he's on TV. She don't know my show got canceled. So I'm broke as fuck. I had to tell her, like, look, baby, even though you saw me on Netflix, I'm still using my mom's Netflix account. You ever been so broke you add water to something to make it last longer? Like shampoo, cologne. I've been adding water to my cologne, right? My friends that smell me, they're like, what's that smell, dog? I'm like, that's tap water for men. That's for the thirsty ladies. I try to save money, right? During the pandemic, I had to move in with my wife, my mother-in-law, and grandma-in-law. I know, 3 generations of strong black women. And they're teaching me how to be a strong black woman. Like, why am I wrapping my head at night doing this? Mm-hmm. I know that's right, bitch. I gotta lay down these edges. Yeah, I'm sorry, I snort when I laugh. I got fucking sleep apnea. Anybody else? Yo, you ever snore so loud you wake yourself up, you're like, fuck, man. I'm old, man. I'm getting older, man. I'm glad I settled down. I'm married, because I used to be a hoe, man. Right? I'm glad I'm focused now. I'm married. I used to love all kinds of women. White women, black women, Latinas. My first girlfriend when I moved to LA, a chola from Huntington Park. 8 kids she had, man. Fuck, I was scared. Like, oh shit, I'm about to be a soccer coach. I said, let me think positive. She's experienced, you know? She might show me some new things in the bedroom. I actually showed her something new in the bedroom. She's like, ooh, papi, what is that? I'm like, oh, that's a condom. She's like, it's so nasty, papi. She's like, what is that game you play? I was like, oh, that's called a pull-out game. Ooh. She's like, what is that you put in my mouth? I'm like, oh, that's the morning after pill. She's like, it's so nasty, papi. I loved it though, because she was crazy, right? What do they say, fellas? Crazy sex is the best sex, right? Fuck yeah, mentally ill, let's chill, bitch. Yeah, before I settled down with my wife, who's a beautiful black woman, I dated lots of white women, I'm not gonna lie, man. I used to love them, man. My penis was gentrified. But now it's black owned and operated. It's a small business, but still growing. I'm the first Asian dude that my wife's been with, yay. I'm clapping. I don't know how I feel about that. Before me is a couple of Latinos, a couple of white guys, and a couple of black dudes, you know? And everybody looks good when y'all get older. Think about that shit. White dudes have Hugh Jackman. Latinos have Antonio Banderas. Black dudes have Denzel. Idris Elba. As an Asian dude, I got nothing to look forward to, man. I never heard a woman be like, oh my God, nobody's trying to fuck Jackie Chan, sir. Somebody, people like Jackie Chan, no woman's like, oh my God, give it to me, Jackie Chan. Ay. Give me some of that Kung Pao cock. Ay, stir fry my vajayjay. Nobody was checking out Asian dudes until now, until K-pop came out, right? They didn't have that shit when I was growing up. Let me ask the ladies, you ever been with an Asian dude? No, see? You've been with an Asian dude? No? Sir? like that one time I was in Thailand. I thought it was a girl. It's all good, man. I don't judge, man. Let me ask something, though, man. Everybody got a good rep. Like, white guys are known for what? Paying bills on time. Latinos, hard workers, right? Black dudes, what's the elephant in the room? Yo, they got huge monster schlongs, right? Is that true? One hole in the back's like, yes, I've seen it. I've seen it too, one time. Oh shit, hold on, that sounds weird, man. Let me explain. I was a kid, right? That sounded even worse, man. Let me explain, hold on, man. So I had a black stepdad growing up, and he used to walk around the house butt naked all the time. I'm like, what is that, man? He go, hey, man, you don't know how to motherfucking knock? I'm like, there's no door to the kitchen. Like, that's how he made breakfast. I'm like, I don't want your sausage and eggs, sir. And please don't hit me with a grand slam. I had a traumatizing childhood, man. I'm a pervert, because like I learned about sex way too young. Man, I found out from an older kid. My boy John was 13. Like he came by the crib and he had his dad's VHS tape. He's like, hey man, you gotta see this. This is how they make babies. I'm like, ew. It takes 10 guys. I don't want to make babies with my friends. I'm like, ah. Yeah, I love my wife, man. We play around a lot with each other. The other day, she was like, I ain't like what she said to me the other day. It made me really fucking insecure, though. She like, babe, you're so cute. When we make love, can you keep your hat on? I'm like, why? She goes, because you look like you sell sneakers. They're cute. It's fucked up, right? Because my gray hair is coming out. My hair is thinning. She goes, when you take it off, you just look like you own a Chinese restaurant. What the fuck? Is that true, man? How many people? 2? You want the number 3 combo? I do 2 or 2 for 1 special. Oh. Alright, man, fuck y'all for laughing at that shit. This lady looks scared. She's like, damn, he went from K-pop to grandpa.